Jai Shri Gurudev. Today we are going to discuss the different problems in miscellaneous exercise inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, so many problems discussed. The next problem, question number 8. Okay, we had to prove that tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 is equals to pi by 4. Okay, how to prove this one? See, let us take LHS. Here total four terms are there. No, two terms, take two terms. Formula is there. What is that formula? Means tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse x plus y, tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. Okay, that is formula is there. Now we can apply in two types. These two will be one formula, these two will be one formula. Okay, apply this one. Is equals to pi by 4. You have to prove that what? Pi by 4. Pi by 4. Okay, now how to prove this one? See, tan inverse 1 by 5. Tan inverse x is what here? 1 by 5. What is y? 1 by 6. So therefore tan inverse 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 divided by 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 7. Okay, na? Like that. Okay, next same. This one, tan inverse 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 8. 1 by 3 into 1 by 8. Okay, na? Simplify this one. Tan inverse 7 5 is 35. 7 plus 5 all divided by 35 minus 1 divided by 35. Okay, 35 cancel. Here tan inverse 7 5 is 35. 7 5 is 35. So 7 plus 5 will be 35. 5 7 is 35. LCM 35 minus 1 into 1. Like that. And okay, here 8 3 are 24. Okay, so 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 all divided by 24. Okay, 24 minus 1. 24 cancel, 35 cancel. Okay, simplify it. If you simplify it means what happens means tan inverse I will write here tan inverse 7 plus 5 12 divided by 34 plus here 8 plus 3 11 divided by 23 24 minus 1 23. Okay, now like we simplify it. Tan inverse 4 3s are 12 4 wala sorry 6 2 6 are 2 1 are 2 7 plus tan inverse 11 by 20. We have to do again tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So therefore tan inverse again formula x is 6 by 17 plus 11 by 23 whole divided by 1 minus 6 by 17 into 11 by 23. Okay, na? So simplify it. We can easily get the tan pi by 4. Okay, na? See, here already done now. Tan inverse 6 by 17 plus 11 by 23 whole divided by 1 minus 6 by 17 into 11 by 23. Okay, na? So how to simplify that one? See here. Tan inverse of 17 into 23. If you multiply these two things, you will get 391. 391 and 16 into 23, 11 into 17. 16 into 23 is 138. 11 into 17 is 187. Okay, divided by again 17 into 23, 17 into 391, 391 minus 66, so 6 into 11, okay, 66. Okay, 391 cancel, so therefore tan inverse of 7 plus 8, 5, okay, 8 plus 1, 9, 10, 11, 12, okay, 325, 138 plus 187, 325, divided by 391 minus 66 also 325. Okay, is equals to tan inverse 1. Cancel 325, cancel tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is equals to what? Tan inverse 1 is equals to pi by 4. Like that, you have to simplify. This is somewhat difficult here. You have to simplify. Okay, this is also one of the important problem. So next question number 9. Tan inverse root x is equals to 1 by 2 into cos inverse 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. Condition x belongs to 0, 1 close interval. Okay, we have to do LHS is equals to RHS. Otherwise, if you consider RHS, you have to prove the LHS. Okay, now for this purpose, we have to consider one thing. So we have to take RHS. For that purpose, let us consider x is equals to. Otherwise, I am considering here only x tan inverse x flat tan inverse x root x is equals to tan inverse root x is equals to theta, otherwise alpha, otherwise beta. You can consider any. Okay, theta. So according to the tan inverse, what we can write? Root x is equals to what? Root x is equals to tan beta. Root x is equals to tan beta. Root x is equals to tan beta. X is equals to what? X is equals to what? X is equals to squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. X is equals to what? X is equals to tan square theta. X is equals to tan square theta. X is equals to tan square theta. Substitute this value here in RHS. Let us take RHS. RHS is equals to 1 by 2 into cos inverse of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x is equals to 1 by 2 into cos inverse of 1 by 2 into cos inverse of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. Substitute x value tan square theta here. Substitute here 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. If you observe this formula, so this is a formula related to the cos 2 theta. This is the cos 2 theta. So therefore 1 by 2 into cos inverse of cos 2 theta. Cos inverse cancel 2 theta. 2 theta divided by 2. 1 by 2 is there here. 2 cancel is equals to theta. Theta is nothing but what? Theta is nothing but what? Here. Theta is equals to what? Tan inverse. So therefore tan inverse root x is equals to what? This is nothing but LHS. Like that we have to simplify. This is also one of the important question. Very easy also. So if you consider well means, okay, your answer will be good. How to consider ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ LHS ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೀಟಾ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಓಕೆನಾ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Okay, question number 10. So cot inverse of root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x divided by root of 1 plus sin x minus root of 1 minus sin x is equals to x by 2. The condition is x belongs to 0, pi by 4. Okay, so we have to go x by 2. So you know the rationalization now. You have to do that rationalization. So numerator divided by denominator. Root things is there now. That's why root of 1 plus sin x minus root of 1 minus sin x plus is there now. You have to take plus plus. same term plus plus. Okay na, simplified. This is the rationalization we are doing the rationalization. Okay na, cot inverse of see a plus b, considering this is a, this is b, a plus b, a plus b into a plus b, a plus b into a plus b means a plus b whole square. So therefore root of 1 plus sin x into plus root of 1 minus sin x whole square. Okay na, whole divided by a minus b, a plus b, a minus b into a plus b is what? A square minus b square. A square minus b square means root of 1 plus sin x whole square minus root of 1 minus sin x whole square. Like that you have to write. Okay na? So I simplify again this one. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ again simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cot inverse of, I will write here again, cot inverse of okay. So 1 plus sin x, this is plus b, a plus b whole square means what? A square plus b square plus 2ab root of 1 plus sin x whole square plus b square root of 1 minus sin x whole square plus 2ab 2 into a means root of 1 plus sin x, root of 1 minus sin x, root of 1 plus sin x into root of 1 minus sin x. Okay na? So whole divided by a square minus b square is there. Now root square cancel. Okay na? 1 plus sin x minus is there. Minus into 1 minus 1, minus into minus plus sin x. Okay na? Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. See, I am doing here above. Okay. Cot inverse of 1 plus sin x, root square cancel. Here root square cancel. 1 plus sin x, okay, plus 1 minus sin x, okay, plus 2 into root a into root b is what? Root a we know, multiply with what? So 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x is what? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So therefore 1 minus sin square x. So therefore we can write it as, say, 2 into root of 1 minus sin square x. Okay na? Divided by here sin x into sin x plus sin x, 2 sin x. Okay na? 2 sin x. Okay. So I simplify it. Sin x cancel now. Sin x cancel. 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Here another 2 is there. Common one grab. So cot inverse of 2 into 1 plus, okay, 1 plus 1 2 agata, or 2 common thing. 2 plus 2 into root of 1 minus sin square x is what? 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. Root cos square x is what? Cos x. 2 cos divided by 2 sin x. Okay na? See, cot inverse of 2 common means 1 plus cos x divided by 2 sin x. Okay na? So 2 cancel. 1 plus cos x is what? 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. See, 1 plus cos x formula is there. 1 plus cos x is equal to what? 2 cos square x by 2. Sin 2x formula is there. No, sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x. No, sin x means that is submultiple angles. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay na? 2 cancel, 1 cos cancel. Cos by sin is what? Cos by sin is equals to cot. So therefore cot inverse of cot x by 2. Cot inverse of cos by sin. Another cos will be there, no? Cos square is there, no? Cos by sin cot. Cot inverse of cot x by 2 is what? According to the cot inverse, will be cancelled. Answer is what? X by 2. This is the answer. Okay, already written now. So already put means so I have to write the answer x by 2. Okay. Let us take question number 11. Tan inverse of root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x divided by root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x is equals to 5 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into cos inverse x. The condition is minus 1 by root 2 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1. Okay. So here we have to consider x is equals to cos 2 theta. Let us consider LHS and we have to prove the RHS. Okay. LHS is equals to this one. Okay. And x should be considered as x is equals to cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. 2 theta is equals to what? 2 theta is equals to cos inverse x. Theta is equals to what? 1 by 2 into cos inverse x. 1 by 2 into cos inverse x. This is the consideration. Okay na? Substitute this value here. X is equals to cos 2 theta. Tan inverse of root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay. Divided by root of 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay na? Formula is there. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. I will write here. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta. Okay. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta. Like that, I have to simplify. See, already written 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 sin square theta. 2 cos square theta, 2 sin square theta. Okay na? So square cancel, square root cancel. Okay. Root 2 here also root 2 common. Okay. So tan inverse of root 2 will be common. Cos theta minus sin theta all divided by root 2 into cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta. Okay. See next root 2 cancel. Okay. Cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta divided by. Okay. So this type of problems already done, so many problems. Divided by cos theta, divided by cos theta. Numerator divided by cos theta, denominator divided by cos theta. So the problem won't change. Okay. Same remains same. Previous step remains same. Okay. Cos theta by cos theta 1. Sin theta by cos theta tan theta. Okay. Whole divided by cos theta by cos theta 1 plus sin theta by cos theta tan theta. Okay. Like that we have to simplify. Next, 1 can be written as tan pi by 4. No, already done this type of problem. So therefore, tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus. So tan theta can be written as 1 into tan theta. No, so tan pi by 4 into tan theta. So this is related. Already told this type of model. Tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. So it is related to the tan x minus y. So therefore tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus theta. Tan inverse cancel. Therefore pi by 4 minus theta. is equals to pi by 4 minus theta. Okay na? Pi by 4 minus theta. Pi by 4 minus theta. Okay. So theta pi by 4 minus theta here. Theta already considered theta. Theta value is what? 1 by 2 into cos inverse x. So 1 by 2 into cos inverse x. 1 by 2 into cos inverse x. Like that you have. This is the answer. Pi by 4 into. So my dear students, so if you like this video well means, please share and subscribe to my channel. Okay. If you have any doubt, please comment in this below video. Okay. Thank you very much.